Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can change your Coinbase email through the Coinbase website. So the first thing guys, I'm going to use this guide so we can get a guide and basically help ourselves exactly to show you in detail how to fix that and how to change it. So to change your email address, to update your primary email address by signing in into your Coinbase account from a web browser. The email updates can't be made on the mobile app, so this is something very important to note. The application itself, you cannot do this process through it. It is only made through a browser. So the next thing is to access your profile page. As you can see here, this is my profile page, and then click on edit next to your email address, which is literally right over here. So once you are in this page, you will receive a phone code, or basically a code on your phone number. So here we go. I'm gonna write it down. This is the and this is basically the place where you should write down the new email address that you have chosen. So literally here you can put whatever email you want. Just make sure that you have full access to it, because it is very important that you have the access to this email in order for you to actually use it in the upcoming days. You can connect to it, receive inboxes, emails, and basically receive the verification through the specific mail. So for example, I have this second email, I think, in here. So I'm gonna copy it and let me show you exactly the process, how it works. So I'm gonna click here on continue. And as you can see, to verify your email, this helps us to keep your account secure by verifying that it is really you. So now all that is left for you to do is to simply write down the code that will be sent to your inbox. So you can go to your inbox. It will be sent to you to the other email, not this one. So this one is my primary email. So you can go and sign into this one, or write down here the code, and you have successfully changed your email. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.